Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Augustine. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to prove this simple trigonometric identity. So now, let's see how we prove this in a very simple way. We are to show that cosine to the power 4x minus sine power 4x divided by cosine squared x equals 1 minus tangent squared x. Now let's see how we do it. This one can be simply be done in this way. We know that this is the same as cosine squared of x all squared minus sine power 4 of x all divided by cosine squared of x. Now, from the trigonometric identity, cosine squared x plus sine squared x equal to 1. We have that cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x. Then we square this. Now this is the same as 1 squared is 1. Then we take 2 times 1, that is 2, times negative sine squared of x, this minus 2 sine squared of x. Then minus sine squared of x squared gives plus sine power 4 of x. That is what I mean. If we take sine squared of x and square it, we get this. Okay. So in place of this, we are going to put this one there. So this will be now equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared of x plus sine power 4 of x minus sine power 4 of x all divided by cosine squared of x. And here, this and this will go. So we have 1 minus 2 sine squared of x all divided by cosine squared of x. And this can be simply 1 divided by cosine squared of x minus 2 sine squared of x divided by cosine squared of x. Now this is simply secant squared of x. And we know that 1 plus tangent squared of x is equal to secant squared of x from the basic trigonometric identity or from Pythagoras trig identity. So in place of this, that is 1 divided by cosine squared x, which is equal to secant squared of x, which is equal to this, we write 1 plus tangent squared of x minus 2 times sine squared of x divided by cosine squared of x gives us tangent squared of x. And this gives us 1 tangent squared of x minus 2 tangent squared of x gives us negative tangent squared of x. Hence, proved in a very simple way. Thank you for watching. Please kindly like, share, subscribe, and